Bonjour! Today we're going to be looking at a little word that you are likely to hear every time you go out and hear French people speak, and that little word is alors. It's a filler word, but it can have lots and lots of different meanings, so we're going to have a little look at that today. The word alors, as well as the word donc, are used as so or therefore, kind of as a consequence. So here's a few sentences where you can see it in there. So, il pleut, alors on reste à l'intérieur. Il pleut, it's raining, alors, so on reste à l'intérieur. We're staying inside. So this is our consequence. As a consequence of it raining, we're going to stay inside. Alors on reste à l'intérieur. J'ai faim, alors je vais préparer le dîner. J'ai faim, I'm hungry, alors je vais préparer le dîner. So I'm going to prepare dinner. That's I'm hungry. My consequence of that is, therefore, I'm going to go and cook some dinner. Le magasin est fermé, alors on reviendra demain. So le magasin est fermé, the shop is shut, alors on reviendra demain. So, therefore, as a consequence of this, we will come back tomorrow. On reviendra demain. Elle n'a pas de voiture, alors elle prend le bus. Elle n'a pas de voiture, she doesn't have a car, alors, therefore, so, elle prend le bus, she takes the bus. So, alors is the one that you are really likely to hear in everyday conversation. Donc you can also hear a lot. They're pretty much interchangeable. I would say alors is maybe even a tiny bit more common to hear in speech. I think it can depend on regions too, whereabouts you are in France, which one's used more. So the next meaning for alors is then, or in that case. So I've used it here to show you with questions. So, tu n'aimes pas le poisson? Alors prends le poulet. So, do you not like fish, or don't you like fish? Oh, well, in that case, have the chicken. Then have the chicken. Then have the chicken. Okay. Il n'est pas là. Isn't he there? Alors on part sans lui. So, well, in that case, then we go without him. On part sans lui. Tu as faim? Are you hungry? Tu as faim? Alors, on mange maintenant. Well, in that case, we'll eat now. C'est trop cher? Alors, on va chercher autre chose. It's too expensive? In that case, we're going to find something else. We're going to look for something else. Or then we're going to look for something else. So it's kind of in that case, this alors means. This is one that we really do hear the French language peppered with it, because it's quite a kind of filler, conversation filler. It means kind of well, or so then. It can help us kind of think aloud a little bit. So often we hear it at the beginning of a sentence. Alors, tu fais quoi ce weekend? So, what are you doing this weekend? So then, what are you doing this weekend? Alors, tu fais quoi ce weekend? Alors, on commence? So then, should we start? Well, should we start? Alors, on commence? Alors, comment ça s'est passé? So, how did it go? Or, alors, tu veux un café? So then, do you want a coffee? Well, do you want a coffee? Alors, it's just that little kind of gentle easing into a sentence. The next two are, again, a kind of just a filling a bit of a space. So, je me suis dit, alors, c'était mieux d'attendre. So, je me suis dit means I said to myself. Alors is kind of our filler word here. And then, que c'était mieux d'attendre, that it was better to wait, que c'était mieux d'attendre. So you can see that the alors doesn't really add anything to it there, to our sentence. We could just say, je me suis dit que c'était mieux d'attendre. I said to myself, or I thought to myself, that it was better to wait. But that alors just gives it that little kind of a bit of a thinking aloud, kind of just a little bit of a time-filling word. The next one, tu sais, alors c'est pas très simple. Tu sais, alors c'est pas très simple. So tu sais means you know, And then alors is our little filler word here. And then c'est pas si simple. It's not that simple. So, you know, it's not that simple. It's that kind of, you know, well, it's not that simple. That kind of bit of a filler. And the bottom two, they've got an extra word in it as well. They've got the word ba. And ba is another filler word that we can team with alors to kind of really give us that idea of I'm thinking aloud, I'm changing my mind, I'm having a think. So, ça marche pas, it doesn't work. Bah alors, on change de plan. Ça marche pas, bah alors, on change de plan. It doesn't work. Well, all right then, yeah, okay, we're going to have to change our plan. Okay, it's that little, we're thinking aloud. Je sais pas, I don't know. Je sais pas, bah alors on verra. I don't know. Well, yeah, we'll see. On verra, we'll see. The next one is adding alors after a kind of interjection of, you know, showing that you're maybe cross about something. And the two main ones that you will hear are zut alors, which is kind of like for goodness sake or blast or something like that, that is mild, it's completely acceptable, but that alors on it just kind of makes it a little bit more intense rather than just zut. It kind of zut alors. It's a oh, for goodness sake. It just intensifies the emotion a bit. And you might hear the merde alors as well, which is a bit stronger. It can mean, you know, like a bit more like bloody hell, but it can also be really strong depending on the situation you're in. It's something that you do hear quite a lot in France, so it's not particularly shocking to a French ear, but I would definitely say that it is not something to use in polite company, not when you're speaking to your mayor and he's telling you have to get planning permission for your shed or whatever. Definitely don't use it like that, but certainly with friends and in kind of a bit more of a relaxed sort of situation, then that's okay to use, but zut alors is okay. Another expression is alors là, and it's literally just that by itself. Alors là, and it's the expression that kind of shows surprise or disbelief or kind of being caught off guard, and the tone and the kind of facial expression does a lot of work. So it's that kind of idea of kind of, oh wow, really, blimey, well I never, that's something else. Alors là, je ne m'y attendais pas du tout. Alors là, je ne m'y attendais pas du tout. God, blimey, I didn't expect that at all. Je ne m'y attendais pas means I didn't expect that at all. Alors là, tu m'étonnes. Alors là, tu m'étonnes. And that's kind of, well, that really surprises me. Tu m'étonnes is you surprise me. And that surprises me. And it's quite often sarcastic, that one. Alors là, tu m'étonnes. Yeah, you don't say. Alors là, pas question. Alors là, pas question. Absolutely not. No way. It's that real kind of, don't even go there. Alors là, pas question. And there's a few other expressions with alors in them. This one, ça alors. Ça alors means, well, I never. Good grief. It gives you that idea of kind of real surprise. And I found this book that's called Ça alors, and it's the history of discoveries that you didn't expect. So obviously we can see what discovery is going on in this picture. Ça alors. Ooh, the apple's fallen down. Other everyday ones. Et alors, just by itself. Et alors means so what? And your point is, why does this matter? It is usually kind of a little bit, you know, blunt, a bit dismissive, but it can also be neutral. The tone is quite important when you use it here. So if somebody said, for example, j'ai oublié, and you said, et alors, so what? Or somebody could say, il pleut, and then we could say, et alors, on sort quand même. Doesn't matter, you know, why does that matter? We'll go out anyway. So, j'ai oublié. Et alors, so what? But we can, the way that we say it can make it just, why does that matter? Let's do it anyway. Non mais alors is kind of, come on, honestly. I mean, really, it's that exasperation. Non mais alors. That kind of frustrated thing. And here's another one where we can say alors, meaning right, and then we're going to go on y va at the end. Alors, on y va? So, we off? Come on then, let's go. Alors, on y va. Alors, on y va. It's that kind of call to action. It's off we go. We're going to go and do something now. And that's it for alors. So take a bit of time to go through and look back over the video, and maybe choose 2 or 3 to try and see if you can use at some point this week with your neighbours, or just have maybe even just one that you're ready to try and say. Perhaps not merde alors though.